Opposition leader Advocate Nelson Chamisa is responded to President Emerson Mnangagwa's desperate attempts to implicate him in the Harare City Council land saga. Sanabira mashoko atuna kuti aiwa komana anonzi Nero Oya fire back aiwa kune the leader wenyika yeZimbabwe pamusoro aiwa pekuda kuminvuvha munau corruption iri kuitika muHarare City Council. Sanabira mashoko mudanyuka panapa nodimba subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Tuna kuti Nelson Chamisa mudanyura chiti an audio recording was played at the hearing purportedly of the councillor referring to me as a party leader. Its amateurish presentation played from a phone raised questions about its authenticity and reliability. Despite these concerns, I responded to avoid embarrassing the commission. For the record, I would not recognize the councillor in question if we met face to face. The voice of the recording also mentioned Mr. Mnangagwa. I pointed out that if my presence was deemed necessary based solely on this audio, then the same courtesy should surely be extended to Mr. Mnangagwa, whose name was also mentioned. The principle is clear. He who alleges must prove it. It is unjust to summon individuals based on unsubstantial claims. The law demands evidence, not baseless accusations. Tomashwa tuna kuti mkomana aiwa Nero Oya chiti vakomana aiwa musado modijairira ndakuti maaudio amukacrafta aiwa tisikazivi kuti ari authentic here or reliable. Panapa anouya achiti muri kutoinvuvha nezita remutungamiri wenyika kana ririmo aiwa ngatiyo azvimirire. Mashoko atuna kuti panguva inoi aiwa Advocate Nelson Chamisa tiona kuti vachizama kutsvagirwa nhau kana nyaya vatikuona kuti vakomana necorruption yavanayo vachiona vachifaila kumanager the Harare City Council voda kuisa the blame pana Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi na comment section medu. So subscribe or like.